So, what is language? We understand the meaning of the term language as a set of symbols and codes used for communication. In the initial phase of life, signs were used for correspondence. With the passage of time, a proper system of language started coming into existence. The importance of written language was perceived when the need of record was felt. People started documenting the spoken signs. This process gave birth to various set of languages, each with a unique system of sounds and words. But that's not it. Soon after this transition, it was comprehended that writing was actually serving another purpose, a bigger purpose. This turning point came about when the pen was held by the intellectuals. These were the people with a broad mind and a vast vision. They were the people who presented not only the social, political, and religious state through their works, but also touched the deeper side of human life. This is how several genres of literature were formally grown. Today, when I look back into the history of mankind, I personally get touched by the individuals and their lives. Amidst the collective experiences, I dig deep into the individual encounters. After going through masses of novels, I have walked amongst so many people that my heart has secured a separate place for each character, and I have felt the joys, sorrows, and struggle of people who were nobody to me, but today they are a part of my personality. I felt myself BlueRose after going through the tremendously dire circumstances of Laura Wingfield. It felt to me as if Denise Williams had put my emotions into words. It seemed as if the writer had opened up my heart and dripped every inch of tear in the book. I love to say the dialogue again and again that glass breaks so easily no matter how careful you are. Each time I say it, it brings tears into my eyes. It perfectly applies to me. Just like Laura, I feel that I am the solitary, unique blue rose.